Hey everyone, so in this video I'm just gonna show you, I'm just gonna scrape the whole ceiling, scrape it off, all the foam and stuff, all the changing, all the rotten wood, replacing it. That's what I'm gonna do, and I will show you how pretty much. Hey guys, so I'm just trying to, so that foam is stick everywhere. I got some parts out from before, but now I'm just doing the ceiling at the moment, so I can find out where the holes are, like where the water is coming in from. And yeah, at the same time I'm gonna just change the isolation. So I have to take the steel like this, on this, as you can see. I just done this little bit, this bit there. So yeah, it's gonna keep on going. It's gonna take maybe a few days, maybe a whole weekend. Let's see how it's going. I'm using this. Just be careful so I don't damage the fiber. I don't go here. Yeah, so yeah, I put metal screws all the way, and yeah, so next step is I think it's gonna be the ceiling, the next episode. Yeah, I've been doing some videos. As you can see, I have to replace this wood here, this line here. Maybe this one, the whole way is rotten up to here. It's all rotten here, you can see. Yeah, so I have to replace that one. This one looks in good condition. Those ones on the side, everywhere. It was just at the back. I believe, I don't know how they managed to, like, it was like big balls here all the way from the ceiling, see. So I think the water was leaking from there, or could be from here too. Some screws, I don't know, but yeah, so I'll let you know how it goes. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to replace this bit of wood here. Let's see how we go. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you today. So I'm doing the ceiling now. So the problem that I'm facing now is that maybe with the weather or the years, this has like evolved a little bit. So when water is coming, when raining or something, the water gets stuck in there maybe that's why. And it had a few holes before. They tried to screw the handles from the top before. Maybe the handle came off before and then they tried to screw it from the top. It was big screws like this. It was funny how they did it. I can't believe that somebody would do that. But anyway, so just wanted to, I might put like a crossbar, something like this, from side to side, so maybe it can go straight. Or I might put a piece of wood, a beam also. I'm just thinking I might have to cut this little bit, because that's what I'm doing at the moment. I will show you how it went. But yeah, I already put this one here on this corner, and it gave me 3 millimeters to put the plywood after. And yeah, I'll let you know how I go. Okay, see you later. So this is the framing that I did for the roof. I have it declined a little bit because it's been raining, and I still have a leak in here. Some water leaking in there, so I don't know. I might have to buy something like a rubber liquid that they sell, like Flex liquid or something. I've been searching, but it's just here. Otherwise, everything else like is fine.
Has no style, it has no grace. This car has a funny face. He can handstand when he needs to and stretch his arms out just for you. Inflating himself just like a balloon. This great Z-Car just sings this tune.
Okay guys, just sanding the roof. Just try these two products here. Just did the Caravan. This one. I just mix it up. 3 parts of this one. I think I spent half. I'm hoping it on also for the whole Caravan. But I'm just doing the roof now because I need to install the solar panels first, according to what I'm thinking, because of making the holes and running cables and stuff. So yeah, I just show you pretty much here. I did it with a small roller foam for metal. Metal, so it looks, yeah, I think it's just coverage for protecting it, I guess. That's just the base. I'm gonna put the coat as well, the paint coat. I have to wait for I have to wait for 16 hours, about 16 hours. So yeah, after that I just do the paint coat and I will be done with the roof, I think, on the top. And then yeah, my next plan is to see how I go. Like, I still have to do little bits and pieces here, but I think the main part is, like, one of the biggest jobs was this one. I still have to, it took me the whole day already, just sanding, cleaning, and I'm painting the base. Now maybe another half day or something, I don't know, a couple of hours just to do the top coat. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. See you next time. Hi everyone. So today I'm just gonna show you I just put that's the one I'm gonna put just for the top coat. So I mix it up with some thinning product and on the paint in there, 5% of this. That's what it says in the book and the instructions. So yeah, you're just gonna paint on the top. I'm gonna just cut the letter, paint it on the top. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it and it was useful for you. So I see you next time. Bye bye.